Most people believe you need a fully equipped gym with dozens of exercises to build a strong, muscular body. But there are men who have been locked in a prison cell with nothing, no weights, no machines, no equipment for decades. And they have built the kind of strength and physique that most gym trainers never reach. That always made me wonder, what exactly were they doing in there? So I found out, and what I discovered replaced my entire workout with 3 exercises. Exercise 1 comes from a man who spent over 5 decades in and out of solitary confinement and somehow broke multiple strength records. The exercise is the Bronson handstand push-up. Get into a handstand against a wall. Place hands flat on the floor and rest feet behind you. Slowly bend the arms and lower the head toward the floor. Then push back up. That is the movement. A standard shoulder press pushes weight from below. The handstand push-up pushes from above, inverted. That angle changes everything. It loads the top portion of the shoulder, the anterior deltoid, and the triceps in a way a standard press cannot replicate. The entire midsection is stabilizing every second. One movement: shoulders, triceps, upper chest, and core. An entire pressing day in one exercise. Exercise 2 is what Mike Tyson used to build legs like tree trunks inside a prison cell. The Mike Tyson card squat. Squat down, pick up the first card, place it on the second, and stand up. Squat again, pick up the stack, stand up. The card system removes the number entirely. The focus is only the next card. This is a deliberate psychological mechanism. Every major muscle group in the lower body is engaged: quads, hamstrings, glutes, inner thighs, calves. Protocol 2 to 3 times per week. Exercise 3 is a core movement called Hello Dolly. Lie back, keep legs together. Slide hands under the tailbone, palms down. Lift feet a few inches off the floor at a 45-degree angle. Open the legs out to the sides. Bring them back together. The reason this works: Hello Dolly has nothing supporting the body. The entire midsection is firing continuously to prevent tipping. 3 exercises. Monday, Bronson handstand push-ups. Wednesday, Mike Tyson card squats. Friday, Hello Dolly. Upper body, lower body, and core covered in 30 to 45 minutes of total weekly training. These exercises build what others can't. Most men believe access to equipment determines the result. They are wrong. The stimulus determines the result. Full system in the description.